Today's video, best tool chest for home garage.
There are a lot of products on the market, and without decent research, one can mistakenly go for the wrong product. That's why we've taken a look at the products available and used a comprehensive rating system to help you choose the right product. When we compared the products, we took into account the price, quality, durability, performance, and more. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. So, let's get started.
Best tool chest for home garage.
Starting off our list at number 5. These are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best tool chest for home garage.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below. We will get back to you as soon as